In this video, we're going to talk about the unit circle. The unit circle is just a circle with a radius of 1. And when we start talking about radians, we tend to always use a circle with a radius of 1. So why are we so obsessed with the radius being 1? So it comes from, let's think about arc length. Arc length is the circumference times the fraction of the circle. So 2 pi r gives you the whole entire circumference of the circle. This fraction here tells you which fraction of the circle you're actually using in that arc length. Let's compare that to radian measure. So radian measure is the arc length divided by the radius. So that means that it's this formula right here divided by the radius. So what does that look like? 2 pi r times the fraction divided by the radius. So here, I know that it's a little crazy because you have this fraction inside a fraction, but what you're doing is you are multiplying this all together and then dividing by r. So you can see here that you're first multiplying by r and then you're dividing by r. And we know, hopefully it's become a theme so far in this unit or this course, that when you have r divided by r, you can make 1. So 2 pi r times theta over 360 divided by r is just 2 pi r times theta over 360. Or 2 pi, I'm sorry, times theta over 360. So if r is 1, then the arc length is equal to the radian measure. So when we're working with any circle that doesn't have a radius of 1, if we want to find the radian measure, we can just pretend the radius is 1, or say 7 miles equals 1 unit. And then we can use that. We can think in terms of arc length and not have to stress so much about finding the arc length and then again dividing by the radius. So radius divided by radius is 1. So that's why we kind of just go with a circle that has a radius of 1.